It is not the best of times for Nigerians living in South Africa presently, as xenophobic attacks in the country have taken rather dangerous and deadly dimensions. All over South Africa, it appears that Nigerians are no longer safe. Today on the streets of Lagos, we want to ask Nigerians, how exactly do we stop this disaffection and hatred among Africans? What exactly is the Nigerian government supposed to do to protect the life of its citizens living in South Africa presently? How do we move on from here to build a united Africa? My name is Eniola Wukoya, and you're live on Happenings TV. Have you seen what's happening in South Africa, the attacks on Nigerians and all that? What's your reaction to that?
In fact, as I dey here so, at the verse, I don't want to speak English. I want to talk to Nigerians because I know say all of us we understand ourselves and we understand the language that we speak. At the verse, for wetin dey happen for South Africans.
It's xenophobia thing, right? Yes, I heard about it, and it's so hurting. I mean, we have South Africans here. Why are they so wicked? Why are they maltreating Nigerians? What's our offense? We have other people here in our country working, earning good livings. We are not disturbing anybody. Why are the South Africans burning and beating Nigerians? For what? I heard their Minister of Police Affairs or something saying Nigeria is denying them of some things. I mean, we are humans. I see nothing wrong in going to other countries to invest, to work. As far as they are not there to steal, we are not stealing, we are working. Nigerians are not lazy, we are hardworking people. So I see no reason why they should be killing Nigerians for nothing.
If you ask me, I would say this is not xenophobic, this is Afrophobic. Because they are only attacking our African brothers. Why is that? Are there no other people of other continents in South Africa? Are there no white people? Are there no Asians? Are there no Chinese and the rest of them? Why is it that it's only Africans that are being attacked? What is it? African government should come together and deal with this issue once and for all. Nigerian government should take necessary action against against South African government. It's no longer an issue of a few people attacking a few people. No, I think the government has a hand in this.
I think, first of all, I think all Nigerians should be proud to be Nigerian. And I think everywhere in the world now, people are traveling, okay? People work in different countries, I travel different countries, and I think Nigerians should have the same right to travel and work in other countries.
I blame our government because they don't value us. They don't really have value for our lives. We can see other government how they protect, even if a baby is killed, you see how they will stand up to investigate. But here, our leaders don't even care. They don't value lives. That's how I blame our government.
This has been happening right from the days of Jacob Zuma. And now a new government is in power and it's still happening. What's going on? I think something should be done. African government should come together and deal with this issue once and for all.
We are here, but we don't know what are the major cause of this. But at least there's by now that because this thing has started for long now, and there's nothing government done about this to solve this problem. So at least the two nations should join us together and talk about this so that all this killing of it should be over.
What is your advice to Nigerians living in South Africa?
Well, I can't advise them to come back. As far as they are not there to kill or they are not there to steal, they are just there to work. And I think that there is somebody sponsoring all this, because it's not like Nigerians are terrorizing them. Yes, we are not terrorizing. So there's nothing wrong in going to other places to work, to invest. So I'm not advising them to come back home. They are just there to work. They should work. But their government should please do something. Please, we are begging. Do something.
My advice to Nigerians waiting for South Africans. See, make una come back home. Una hear me, abi? As una dey for South African there, I no go fit fight them, na their land. South Africans, so una know so, they fight for their freedom. But we Nigerians, we beg to have our freedom. You understand? So they cannot respect us. We have to come back to our country and make our country the dream country that we want. America is nowhere to go for us. Because as a Nigerian now, if you want to travel to any other outside country, they will deny you visa. So why will you go to other people's country where they have worked hard to make it better for themselves? You go there now to go and make things difficult for them. We cannot spoil our country and run away to other countries to go and spoil it, you understand? We just have to come back and make things right. Already our politicians, they have painted us black and everything is so bad, you understand? But we have to come back to this country and negotiate and agree together on how we are going to better our country. Look at Ghana of yesterday. Ghana are now deporting us. Ghana that is here, that we are chasing out of our country, they are now better. They are not chasing us out of their country because they work hard. They have understanding. They agree together. Nigerians, we have to come together. Let's come back home and make our country a better place for all of us.
My advice for the two governments to just come together and resolve the problem so that all this killing, fighting between Nigeria and South Africa will stop. At least Nigeria is a great country. South Africa too is a great country, and both of them are great country in Africa. So I think they should resolve the problem.
Concerning our people there, if you can come back home, there is nothing like home, because if you get life, there is hope.
I think South Africans have a very short memory. They need to think back to apartheid, okay, and give Nigerians the respect that they deserve to run their businesses in South Africa.
If we can change our mindsets, fine. Nigeria is blessed, to be sincere. We have all the resources that we can tap in. So once a place is not really conducive, come back home. You will find your level, you will find your feet, no matter what. We have resources, we are blessed. There are things that we can tap in. It's not because we don't have good leaders to manage it.
Nigerians living in South Africa should take their life seriously. It's time to possibly come back home or relocate elsewhere, because it's not worth it to be in your continent and just die like a chicken. These people are heartless. Don't forget that during the apartheid regime, Nigeria happens to be one of the African country that supported South Africa so much. We gave them so much support. Why are we going through this now? This ingratitude has got to be dealt with once and for all. Thank you.